Friends, we are in the third stage of lockdown, and I hope you all stay at home, stay safe, and always maintain social distancing because so many people are coming from outside of our native places. And I request you, whenever if an unknown person comes to you in your locality and in your any place as you may be in contact, then first you avoid contacting with him at any cost and just inform the administration. And having a nice day. And I would like to start from here, liquid to gas change. Yesterday in previous class we had already studied about the melting, it means the solid to liquid. Now from today, liquid to gas change. In chemistry it is class 9th chemistry. To gas change, that is vaporization या boiling. Definition is concerned, before we discuss about the liquid to gas change, whenever an extra heat energy is being given to liquid, then the particles of the liquid gets extra energy and extra as in the and comes in kinetic form, so that it starts rapidly moving randomly, and this movement just that apart from their particles it very fast, so that this becomes the boiling. So the process at which, you can say the process in which a liquid substance changes into a gas rapidly on heating is called boiling. Simple. Whenever if you in your day-to-day life you will have seen that when water is being heated on stove or cooker, on stove or gas, then you will see that after some time, it means because till it will not vaporize, till it has some smallest, you can say smaller energy in it. This is called the internal latent heat. Latent heat. What does it mean? कोई भी वस्तु तब तक नहीं पिघलेगा जब तक कि उसका एक छोटा सा पूरा पूरा कण बाकी रह जाएगा, तब तक वो पूरा पूरा अपना पोजीशन पर नहीं आएगा. तो इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं आपको वाष्पीकरण या वेपोराइजेशन. द प्रोसेस इन विच the liquid matter changes into gas any liquid substance, you can say, on heating is known as vaporization or boiling. For example, when water is heated, then after a particular period of time, water starts boiling. This is known as vaporization. Boiling, it means in a steam position, a steam state. That is also known as vaporization. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees C. It means what? It means when the heat energy rises up to the level of 100 degrees C, then it will start boiling. Boiling point. The temperature at which any liquid starts vaporizing is known as the boiling point. Boiling point of water is equal to 1 laddu degree C. Boiling point of alcohol is equal to 78 degree C only. Mercury three 87 degree C. And different liquid has different boiling points. So I request you, beta, you, as I am understanding, yeah, in my opinion, I have written it very clear on blackboard, and you please write down blackboard. Sir, when a liquid is heated, then the heat energy moves the particle, make the particle move, makes the particle move very rapidly. It means that at the boiling point, the particles of liquid have sufficient kinetic energy. Due to the kinetic energy, due to the kinetic energy, to overcome the forces of attraction of particles, attraction, and makes the liquid boil. Okay. Now let's we have gas to liquid change. This is called the condensation. Just opposite the process in which gas changes into liquid by cooling is known as the condensation. During condensation, heat energy is reduced and the particles movement becomes slow, and thus it is condensed. By this process we purify the water. Okay, and beta, this is the because we are going so much faster, and I request you all guys, make your mind very cool, and what I have taught you here, you will see that each and every points has been cleared, and if you feel another problem, then you may raise the question.